Happy Friday, guys. So I did not film anything yesterday, which was Thursday, because I just needed some time to myself. We found out that our business got scammed, and so I was dealing with all that on Wednesday. I found out Wednesday, and of course that was like a whole emotional roller coaster finding that out. And so yesterday I just took some time. I still did some work, but I just took some time to like chillax. So I did record about this whole scam situation, and I did that in a separate video. So I will post that so you guys can see like what happened, how things went down, and I'll try to keep you guys posted on the outcome of all of that. So I think it's important for me to share our story, and you know, just so other businesses can be aware of like the scams people are running, and you know, you'll just be aware and, you know, knowledgeable about how people are doing things these days, in hopes that you will not get scammed as well. And so we're back here on Friday, and I'm at the UPS store because I got some packages to pick up of some business supplies. So I'll probably show you guys that stuff once I get over to storage, because I gotta go over there today too, because I have been getting some orders, resale orders on Mercari, which is like crazy. I've gotten 3 orders on there in the last 2 days, so I'm excited about that, because y'all, everything has been slow. Like everything, like Mercari, eBay, Amazon, Black Tea and Honey, everything has been slow. So to see some sales come in, I've been very encouraged by that. So I'm gonna get these packages, head over to storage, and I'll probably show you what I got. And later, I don't know if I'm making products or anything, I don't know, because I'm still prepping a little bit for this craft fair in December. So yeah, I have a few more things to make for that, and then that's probably gonna cease because I have enough product, I think, for that craft show. So let's get it. Alright guys, I want to show you how our new labels are looking compared to our old ones. I thought I had some old ones here, but obviously I don't. So on our old labels, we had like everything on the front. So like the title, the logo, the weight, as well as the ingredients. But I wanted it to look a little bit more clean, so I decided to take off the ingredients from the front, and now we have them on the back side. And I think it looks a little bit better that way. Of course, it's not like where I ultimately want it to be. I mean, I would love like to have some color on our bars, on our labels, but you know, I don't have a color printer. So that's something we're hoping to get in the future. But yeah, so this is what they're looking like now, and I think it looks a lot better. And we were able to add like the fragrance notes as well. So when people see the label, they can know, oh, okay, that smells of orange, jasmine, rose, and musk. So we're stepping up our game. We're stepping up our game slowly.
If you are catching up and then you watch the last vlog and then you just watch this one right after, we look the same. Let it go. All the books are like no. Think I go. But you love it. I see. I can't imagine I go. Yeah.
I'm craving something. Maybe something.
Wasn't ready. And you know, again, we're a new business, you know, doing this, and you know, you don't know what you don't know, right? And so I'll know for next time though.